Okay, this is the start of my 4-day Choquequirao trek. Day 1. I just passed my first person, and when signing in I saw that there were only 4 other people who left this morning. So not many people on this trail, which is a good thing. That was all downhill and I'm already sweating. I can't imagine what it'll be like to go up it. It's pretty though. Okay, so down there you see the bridge, right? Okay, enhance. Enhance! Enhance! There's the bridge. I gotta get down there. What's up, homies? Hola. Mi llamo Kraig. There were like a half-dozen people at that campsite. A lot of food, a lot of stuff. It's fancy. There's no way I'm gonna stay there. It's not even half the day done. Let's keep going. It's all uphill from here. It is all uphill from here. Just need to make it to the campsite before dark. Very tired.
¿Estás subiendo?
Can I get one of those?
Igual?
Finally made it. I am dead. I am going to pass out.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Tonight's specialty in evening coffee. This is a journey walker, anytime, anywhere, that I was given from Guatemala. That is not bad at all. So this is all uphill for a long time. I'm just gonna go really slow. Well, I've got the nice cool morning air and shade from the clouds all the way up to the village. Okay, I see buildings and campsite. I think I'm getting close to the top. Whew, that was quick. Killing it. Hola.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Yeah, good boy.
Rosario, tengo con la chocolate.
Hola.
Pruebe si está ese azúcar de
Azúcar, yeah, sugar, yeah.
El aire es como te digo, el aire es
Hola.
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 Soy yo.
Hola. Agua.
Agua.
Agua. So I'm starting to think this would probably be the best campsite. If you could push the first day and not dilly-dally, you could make it up here. Hola, chicken. Hola, pig. Alright, should be uphill just a little bit, but pretty much smooth sailing all the way to the campsite where I'm gonna drop my stuff and then probably go up to the ruins. Alright, almost to the ruins. Almost to Choquequirao. Choquequirao. Ooh, I can see it. Alright, we'll see you around.
Yeah,
Very nice people at the top here, a little party. Love this. Lovely. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
See you, Sierra. Bye bye. Alright. Now I'm just gonna head back to my pack, get some water. Ooh, wind. Hola. Still got some sunlight, so I might just grab a bite to eat and then maybe start to head back down to the river. I'm almost there. You can hear the river. Oh, I'm just spent. Oh, I'm so happy I'm here. Solid, flat, smooth ground. I don't recommend anyone to do that. Honestly, that was one of the toughest things I've ever done. I cannot wait to just lay down. Oh. Oh. Hola, gato. What? Where'd you go? Oh, whoa. Hello. I am tired, but I gotta get this tent up. Let's do it. Hola. Good morning. Don't come in here. Don't. No, get. Come on. Alright, get up. No, 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 no. So I'm just gonna take it very slow. The rest of this video is gonna be me complaining a ton. I just know it. Oh, okay. You hear that? Running water. Oh, I can see the end up there. I'm gonna take a break at this shade though. I am dead. I'm out of water. 100% out of water. Oh. Hola.
¿Solo?
Sí. This is Hey, I'm back in New York. and this is the B&H Superstore. My entire trip to Peru was made possible by B&H Photo. And right now I'm in their New York City Superstore, and I always gear up. Thank you. On any last minute accessories before I fly out for a shoot. This place is everything though. And if you are in the city in July, check the link in the description below for the actual date. Make sure to stop by for their hashtag Adventure Week, because I'll be giving a talk in this space all about, oh, hold on one sec. I'll be giving a talk in this space all about how I planned, shot, and edited this travel film. So come and hang out, please. So check the links in the description below to see the gear that I used on this film, information about that talk, and a full guide on how you can do it yourself. Thank you for watching, and thank you B&H Photo for supporting travel filmmakers like myself. Bye.